Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. And this one is pretty easy, so all you need to do is just press and hold at the same time Bluetooth button and volume up button until your speaker will turn off. So let me press and hold. Here we go. Now we can release fingers, and then we need to reconnect this speaker with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and now at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then forget this device and forget device, and you will unpair it, because right now, as you can see, if I try to reconnect it, it will ask me to forget this device. So let's do this. Now, if you have Android, at the top you will see pairing device button, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or click at the refresh button, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, the speaker enters to pairing mode automatically, so you will see it at the device list and you need to tap at your speaker. And we reconnect it, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!